and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here at Natural Bodies, what we do here is we cover everything health, well-being and mindset. And today we're going to talk briefly on goal setting. You can support the channel by hitting that like button, that helps with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Okay, so goal setting. Describe in detail what it is that ultimately that you want to achieve. You then want to break that goal down into a series of smaller SMART goals. So what is a SMART goal? A SMART goal is something that is specific, something that is measurable, that is achievable, that is also realistic, and you want to put it in a time frame. So the deadline is the time that you want to achieve this specific goal. These lead you step by step to succeed in achieving those smaller goals and eventually guide you to obtain that ultimate larger goal and success. Right, I've got to go training, so I have a pull day today, pull day and core. So time to hit the bricks. See you in the next video.